Hi guys, welcome to CAD CA tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a Solidworks software and how to this body is designed easily and clearly. And guys, this is a foundation bolt design, and this bolt is very useful and helpful. This body is designed and and all is a 2D drafting is also available here. And okay, and 2D drafting is this is a top view, and this is a front view, and this is a right view, and all view is one by one is learn here and how to this body is designed. And this is a use a all dimension is millimeter, and this thread details is also available here. This length is 126 millimeter, pitch is 3 millimeter, and size is M27, and offset is 6 millimeter is outside. Okay, all point is discussed here one by one. Okay, this is a perfect, and this is a body is design. Okay, this body is looking perfect, and this body is very useful and helpful. Okay, this is a perfect, and isometric view is also this. Okay, today discuss here this body is designed easily and clearly. Okay, let's start here. This body is design. At first select a part, and some setting is very important, plain white, and some use a going to document property, and this is a image quality, and this is very high because this body is looking perfect. Okay, and at first select a this distance is a this center point, and this distance is 286 millimeter, and this distance is a 76 millimeter, and this circle diameter is radius is 30 millimeter, and this radius is a this diameter is 21 millimeter, and okay, this is a fillet is used 22 millimeter, and this thickness is 36 millimeter. Okay, and this use a chamfer 2.5 millimeter 45-degree angle, and use a thread. This thickness is a 21 millimeter, and this diameter and this is a same. Okay, at first select a plane, front plane, and a line is a drawing here. Okay, and this line connect to this. Okay, and a line is a connect to this line is this, and also a line is a drawing here this. Okay, and center line is a draw here. Okay, this is a center line is this, and click a circle is okay. Okay, and this two line is a tangent, and also this two line is a tangent. Okay, this to this. Okay, this point and this line is a tangent. Okay, this is a perfect coincident. Okay, and mention. Okay, this dimension, this radius is a 30 millimeter, and this length is okay, this radius is 30 millimeter. Assign dimension is this radius is a 30 millimeter. Okay, and some fillet is used here. Some fillet is used this sketch fillet, and click this is a 22 millimeter is correct. Okay, and Okay, and some use a trim is this portion is delete here. Okay, and this portion is also this. Okay, delete here. Okay, and assign a this distance is a 36 millimeter. Okay, and this distance is 76 millimeter, and this is a 286 millimeter. This is a 36 millimeter. Okay, and this point to this distance is a 76 millimeter. Okay, and this total distance is a 286 millimeter. Okay, and this is a perfect. 286 millimeter is total distance, and this is 76 millimeter, and all is perfect. Okay, and this is a perfect and correct. Okay, this radius is a diameter is okay, this is a perfect because this radius is 30 millimeter, is diameter is 60 millimeter. Okay, all is perfect. And this distance is perfect and correct. And this is a tangent is okay, and this is a delete here, and select this point, and this line is a okay, this line and this line is a tangent. Okay, 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 all is perfect. Okay, and this is a 286 millimeter, and this is a 36. Okay, all is perfect. And then exit. Okay, and again going to create a plane is this to this. Okay, because drawing a circle, sketch normal, and drawing a circle. Okay, okay, this circle is drawing here, and this diameter is a 21. Okay, okay, and exit, and use a swept base, and automatic this profile is select here, and path is a select this. Okay, this is a perfect. Click OK, and this body is a hide. Okay, this is a perfect. And some chamfer is used here, and chamfer is a this 2.5 millimeter and 45-degree angle, and this chamfer is used, and both side 2.5. This click this, and click this, and click OK. This chamfer is used, and material is apply here, and this is a polished nickel is used. Okay, and this body is design. Okay, and next is a use a thread is a this thread value is given here. 126 millimeter is length, pitch is 3 millimeter, and size is 27, offset is 6 millimeter. Okay, and active a thread, and use a this click this, and length is 126 millimeter. Okay, and metric die is perfect, and use a M27 and 3. Okay, M27 and 3 is a, okay, this is a perfect, M27 and 3 is correct, and this offset is a 6 millimeter is outside, 6 millimeter is outward. Okay, this is better. And 126 millimeter, this length is 126 millimeter, pitch is 3, and okay, all is looking perfect and correct, and okay, this is a cut thread, and use a right-handed thread. Click OK, and apply this thread. Some little time is spent here because this thread value is, this thread active, all process is active. Okay, some little time is spent here. Okay, this is a perfect, this thread is created here, and some color is change here, some dark black. Okay, some little dark black. Okay, this body is looking perfect, and this thread is a very nice looking here, and this body is also created here. Okay, okay, okay guys, all process is discussed here. Guys, I hope you will learn all process is learn here easily and clearly. And guys, any doubt about this lecture, then you go to comment box and write a comment. And guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you.